Jetagwo Gishimo Joseph.
Ugana kwa shira wa urugamiriri wa kambuni ya Direct Line Assurance ni utumulite dereti hiyo igoti-ini ire murugamiriri wa kambuni ya Royal Credit Dagitari SK Macharia atarire igoti mathina maria akoretwo kigerera arita mwanjiriria wa kambuni ino mucirithania Francis Gikonyo akiuga shira uyu urabatara gwetherwo kihonia na ihenya toria kwahotekeka. Hinde ya shira uyu Dagitari SK Macharia erite igoti ati ngucanio utongoria wa kambuni ya Direct Line Assurance iria koretwo kuo ni uthogete maundu make mabata akiuria ruhonge rwa kuramata insurance IRA na ofisi ya munene wa watho kuingirira na gutuithania ngucanio ya utongoria na ya ene kambuni. Itua-ini riake mucirithania Francis Gikonyo oritie miaho neri gwetha kihonia kia na ihenya amuthina munene uria ugumeire cira uyu ni urugamiriri wayo.
Direct Line is an insurance company, it's a regulated institution. Yes. The court should be able to ask the regulator to come to face the court and the Attorney General, who is the custodian of all shareholding companies in this country, in a document called Sierra 12. And they say in front of the court who is the legal shareholder of Direct Line.
He understands. Tukubaliane njia ya kulisolve hiyo swali anauliza. Hiyo swali anauliza ndio tunataka kujibu. And you know that question cannot be answered in these proceedings. Do we agree?
Yes, my lord.
That question cannot be answered here.
We are restraining ourselves from
responding. If it cannot be answered here, then why are we wasting time in these proceedings? Rather than spending quality time in the proceedings. That's for you councils now. Yeah, we may tuonane siku hiyo ingine tuweka